Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how we can divide a line into equal segments. First, let's draw a line, shape it at 30 and angle it with 30. Okay. Angle it with 30. Okay, that's my line. I want to divide this line. Just in command prompt search for divide. Okay, select the line. Then the number of segments, for example, I want to divide it for 5 segments. Okay, enter. Now it's divided, but the point is not clear. If you want to see the point, just search for dd p type. Click it. Here you can select it at point, which point you want. This one, for example, and I change the size to 4. Okay. Let's measure from annotate, dimension. Okay, then select continue. You see, we divided the line to 5 segments which equal lengths. That's all I have. Can be helpful. Have a nice time.